Good day. Super excited. You're welcome to Mayowa Owolabi TV. And in this episode, I want to share with you how you can identify a high probability trade setup. And if this is your first time you're coming to this channel, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload the next amazing video that will help you, you will not miss out on this. Now, guys, let's get to work. You must understand that when it comes to trading, it's not just about you entering every setup, but it's about you identifying the kind of setup that can give you the kind of money you're looking for. Now, you must understand that whenever the market is moving, it moves in a particular pattern. And that is why I tell you that the foundation of every strategy is market structure. And if you want to really be consistent in making money in this industry, you must honor that market structure, which is you trading with the trend. Now, Mr. Mayowa, what does it take to identify a higher probability trade setup? I've taught you guys what the classifications of market structure. We must always look for a low, we have a high, then we make sure there is a discount, which is a reversal before the market creates a new high. Now, when the market creates a new high, it means that we are now ready for a buy opportunity. Now, the major challenge a lot of traders have is that they do not have a clarity. They do not have clarity of what the chart is saying. And because they have their weekly target to be met, they tend to put in their money and they lose their money. So what does that tell us? It tells us that you need to wait for the market to come into that movement that you want to happen. So don't just go to the chart in the name that you want to pick a trade, but go to the chart in the name that you want to identify the best opportunity for you to trade. So if I don't see a uptrend movement or a lower high movement, I will not put my money in this because this is uptrend and this is downtrend. Now, Mr. Mayowa, what if there is no uptrend and there is no downtrend? That means that the market is ranging. And guess what? You can scalp here, but you cannot trade. I will recommend you stay away from this because the money is not in the ranging market. Because a lot of time, ranging market, which is consolidation, is a trap for a lot of traders to be trapped in the market and they can donate to the market. So I want you to take your time and always ask yourself, is there a break of structure that it can allow me to put my money in, or there is no break of structure? Now, as you can see this chart on my screen right now, we have AUD card on daily chart. And you can see that the market created a high, created a low, and created a lower high. Then we have a lower low. Now, there is no way, this is about an 80% guarantee trade that the next move up was going to drop. But Mr. Mayowa, can't you also notice that we have a place for me to sell here, a place for me to sell here, a place for me to sell here? Now, the challenge is that you are yet to understand that you need to trade discount levels, discounted zones. Now, let's take, for example, a particular bank has put in an investment into AUD or into CAD, which means that CAD is going to gain momentum against AUD. That means that we are going to be looking for sell. Now, when this bank went in here, they closed and they made profit. They took their position. 80% of the time, they take more than 50% discount. They take more than 50% of their profit out of the market. That means that if I want to really take this trade, I want to make sure I am trading above the 50% discount. So this, for me to sell, I will not sell on this zone. I will not sell anything below the 50%. I will be selling anything above 60%, which is what I do. So I won't sell here because I can see a drop-based drop there. No, I will look for the drop-based drop that is above 70%. That is where I'm going to be looking at me putting my money into the market. So it is not every break of structure that has a reversal without a full reversal that you want to put your money in. You want to wait for that complete move. So that could entail you to trade counter trend if you want to trade against the rules of engagement. But you rather wait for the market to come up to the peak back where you can go in. Now, what also approves this? You can also see that there is what? There is an imbalance. For those of you that knows what imbalance trading is, look at, there's an imbalance. Now, the institutions, they do not joke with imbalances. So all the move that was made here, they are to take partials, part of their profit, so that any other bank can join the move and the market will do what? Will drop down. So I will really, really encourage you that no matter how much you want to make money, you want to make sure you are identifying a trend. For example, this is a low. This is a previous high that was destroyed. This means that when the market goes up and comes back here, and we're looking for a buy. But Mr. Mayowa, but guys, the truth is that there is no lower high, higher low, high, high. So it means that if you take a trade here, it's risky. So what happened? The market created a new break of structure and it cleared this break of structure. Now, when it cleared this break of structure, it doesn't also mean that you should also buy, because I know some people, they trade the lows of the market, which is not bad. So far, they are making money, you're good. But the higher probability trades are the trades that has a what? A high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Look for the market retracement, soak in that capital, and you will definitely make money. Another thing apart from the discounted that I've shared with you is that you need to understand that you are trading the lows and the highs, the retracement. So if I want to trade, once I've identified the high, the low, the high, the low, I am waiting for a reversal back to the high. This is important. So then I will look for a lower time frame entry to be able to catch this move, and I'm good to go. So if you check, if you backtest a lot of trades, you will see that the market always obeys this rule. Now, can it look at this? Break of structure. Market came back to the top. You sell. Market created break of structure. Market came back to this. You sell. The market created another high. Market went back here. Market dropped. Now, when you understand this movement, you can maximize the market every single time. So currently, what are we looking at for? The same blueprint. You look for a what? A low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and a low. That means I will wait. The same script, guys. Market leaves clear. The same thing. That means that I will wait for the market to come back into the high. Then in the nearest future, I will look for my sell here for the market to drop. And if you're not patient, you can trade against the trend. But like I do tell you, counter trend is 20%. Sure, trading with the trend is over 80% sure. So I don't want to expose my money, my hard-earned money, into a 20% risk. I prefer to identify a 80% risk where I can go in and I can look for money to look for the opportunity and make a better income for myself. So this is just what is missing, and this is just a better way to look at the market, then you can definitely remain consistent at it. So don't trade because you want to trade. Trade because you have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. The market retraces back and the market drops. That is how to look for a better high probability trade, because all the moves in between are traps for impatient traders. If you can be consistent with this, you are good to go. This is my view to the market, and I'm sure this will help you. Do have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. My name remains Owolabi. Don't forget to click on the like button right now, because it's going to help our algorithm for other people to be able to see this video and they are good to go. I look forward to your success, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Make sure you type in what you learned and what you want me to share more light on. Drop that in the comment box right now. I'm here to help you. Let's make the money together. Talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.